How to fix TikTok not working in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Here you can check my internet connection will be work properly. After checking internet connection, open settings and go in general and scroll down. Here you can see the option VPN and device management. Click on it and here you connect VPN, then disconnect it. After disconnect VPN, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open App Store and here you can check your TikTok will be updated or not. And here you can check your TikTok will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating TikTok, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and go in general and open software update. And here you can check your software update, the iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it. After updating the latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And it will be not fixed, then press and hold on TikTok and click on remove and click on delete app. After clicking on delete app, your TikTok will be deleted, and after deleted, reinstall on App Store. After reinstalling TikTok, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.